invoking the blessings of Ma Saraswati. I would like to call our dignitaries for lamp lighting ceremony. I request the dignitaries to be seated on the stage, please. Now, we take this opportunity to invite our beloved principal, Dr. Uttam D. Kolekar, who is the light and pride of our institution. We are all honored to have him as a principal. Sir, I'd like to invite you to share your precious words to our students and parents.
Hello everyone. Good morning one and all. On behalf of Parsna Charitable Trust and ABC Institute of Technology, I welcome you all to FU orientation program. At outset, I congratulate all of you for securing the admission at ABC Institute of Technology, which is your professional education, which will start. Now, first, I would like to introduce our institute. Our institute, that is APSHA Institute of Technology, started or founded in the year 2014 with the intake capacity of 300 under the leadership of Honorable Chairman Sri Chirag Bhai Shah and Pooja Shah. The current intake of our institute, that is 720. Now you can see that day by day intake of our institute is increasing, which shows the progress of our institute. This institute is affiliated to the University of Mumbai. It is approved by the AICTE and also approved by the DT, that is Government of Maharashtra. So this is the just introduction of our institute. Afterwards, I will give you in the details of what are the different facilities are there, how it is different from the other institute, that I will inform you. But initially, I would like to give some tips to our students so that they can become a successful engineer. Just your beginning of your career, new education, professional educations. So here, right now, I can see the different feelings on our students' faces. There are two kinds of feelings are there on the students' face. One is lot of excitement is there, right? Lot of excitement is there. On another side, I can see some anxiety is also there. Some anxiety is there. Excitement is there. Reason is that you feel that there something is new here compared to your school education. Something different is there. New friends are there. New institute is there. New building is there. So everything is new. So that's why many students are excited to start this professional education. Anxiety is there because some students has left their home. They are studying away from their hometown. They are at hostel. Some students are staying at PG. So that's why some anxiety is there. So, but it is obvious. Reason is that they feel, because of these reasons, they feel definitely excitement as well as anxiety is there. So, I would like to tell you what is the difference between school education and this professional education. You know, in school, every time there is spoon feeding, right? So every time teachers are saying, this is very important, please make more practice of that question, this will come in the examination. So students are mugging up that question. Mug up is there. And in examination, omitting is there. Mug up, omitting is there in the examination. And after exam, they will forget everything. Right? So that kind of scenario was there in the 11th standard and 12th standard. Now this is your professional education, the paradigm shift is there. There is no spoon feeding, but you have to understand that concepts. So why I am saying this, to understand that concept? Unless and understand that particular concept, you will not be able to write anything in exam. Because different types of questions are there. They will twist that questions. So you should understand that particular questions. For example, you may think this that particular topic is important. But whenever you understand that concept, only and only then you can go ahead. For example, this you learned physics, chemistry, maths in 11th and 12th standard. Again, you will study that physics, maths, and chemistry in engineering. You may think, "Arey, why every time physics, chemistry, maths something new we want?" But it's not like that. So whatever fundamentals you have studied in this 11th and 12th, that you have to apply here. So that's why that basic physics, chemistry, maths will become as applied physics, applied chemistry, and applied maths. So whatever fundamentals you have studied, that you have to apply here, and you can solve that particular problems. Another thing I would like to tell you is that here don't shy to ask any questions, because while studying you will get the number of questions in your mind. So our all teachers are experts. They will encourage you to solve your questions. So don't hesitate to ask the question. Why I am telling this? Because if you don't ask the question, you will become full for 5 minutes or some minutes. But if you don't ask the question, you will remain full for life. So don't hesitate to ask the question. No teacher or no any faculty members will not take the revenge on that particular thing. So remember, freely, without any fear, ask the questions. Try to clear your doubts, right? And then only you will be successful in the engineering. So in our college, other than this that university curriculum. See, because our university, our this institute, that is AP Shah Institute of Technology, is affiliated to the University of Mumbai. So whatever the syllabus is developed by the University of Mumbai for various programs, that will be followed by us. Now, so to fill that gap, because industry is required something new. So in syllabus, there are some points are missing. So for that purpose, and for extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities, we have formed the various clubs. So I appeal all of you, at least you join the one club. Many clubs are there. Afterwards, I will explain you what kind of clubs are there. Because afterwards, I am going to give the presentation. In that presentation, I will explain you what kind of clubs are there. So these clubs are very much helpful to get the industry knowledge. So all students are required to join at least one club in our institute. There are some chapters like IEEE, IET, then for mechanical civil different kinds of chapters are there. You also join that chapters. Then you should work hard. You should do the smart work. Don't relax. Because students are feeling that, sir, I have studied a lot of things in the 10th standard. I have made hard work in the 12th standard. Now I want to make a relax. Reason is that there is misconception in some students that KT is allowed for the engineering. But dear students, this is very bad word is there in the field of this thing. So remove that KT. KT means allowed to keep term. So from your dictionary of AP Shah Institute of Technology students, you remove that word. This is very bad word for you. If you get the KT, for semester 1, if you get 1 KT, second semester 2 KTs are, third semester 3 KTs are there. And remember, this record will be remembered for the lifetime. So that's why you remove that KT word from your dictionary, and in place of that KT, you add 80. 80 means you should get at least 0.8 or 8% or percentile out of 10, you should get 8. So remove KT and add 80 in place of that KT. So this is very bad thing in the engineering, so you should not get the KT. Your first year should be clear with very good percentage, right? Now, why I am saying don't relax? Reason is that here to understand that concept, I would like to tell one story. So after completion of this graduation, one student from the Mumbai University was traveling to the US for his master. So in plane, one CEO was sitting in front of that particular student, and he got them some curiosity. I want to introduce with him, I want to discuss with that particular CEO, and his age was around 70 to 75. So he started some comments with that CEO. He asked him, "Sir, you are currently CEO of that particular company. That company was at the zero level. Now it is reached at the high level. So why you are not relaxing?" Then that particular CEO said, "My dear friend, now you can see we are reached at the top level. This airplane, the plane is at around thousands of kilometers above. Now I will ask to that pilot, you switch off the engine. What will happen? Yes, that plane will be collapsed. So same thing is here. If you relax here, your journey will stop here, it will come top to the zero." So what is moral of the story? Story is that you should not relax. Continuously you should work. Then you will become a successful engineer. Now this is your beginning of the career. So I would like to tell you that after completion of your graduation, you are going to set the goals. So you have to decide here now, you have to set the goals. So what you are going to do after completion of graduation, first you will look for the good companies. You will look for the placement, which is very much essential because every student is working very hard to get the good placement. That is goal number 1. What is second goal? To go for the master. Right? So if you are dreaming for the placement, you should go for the excellent companies like Google, Microsoft, and so on and so. So you should decide it. And second goal you can decide, that is you can go for the highest studies, that is master, Stanford is there, like that particular universities are there. You should target that universities. And third one is to become entrepreneur. So you can set these 3 goals, or at least out of the 3, you can set only one goal. But setting goal is not difficult. You can set the goal very easily. But you can see what is the requirement of that goal. Suppose you are dreaming for the Google. So Google is also expecting excellent student. So as per that requirement of that company, you should define or you should make your profile. So this profile is very, very important for this engineering. Final year, you should be passed with the good grades, with extra knowledge, with some certifications, and you should have the good profile. Why I am telling this thing? Because that industry which you are training, that may be Microsoft or Google, you should have the good profile. So to form that good profile, you should form the network. So what kind of network? You may be thinking the computer network. Not like that. As you know, you are giving that Facebook account is there, WhatsApp account is there, like that Instagram is there. But I appeal all of you go and join the LinkedIn account. So how many students are there with the LinkedIn account? Please raise your hands. Oh, great. Okay. See, this LinkedIn account is a very good account where you get all professionals over there. Suppose you are interested in the networking, or you are interested in wireless communication, image processing, AI, ML, data science. So that kind of experts are there. So you should every day increase your that number of. You should introduce with some professional. You should go to the various conferences. You should attend that various chapters at the various IEEE level, IEEE level, and try to increase your network. Then everyone is using the social media. Social media is not bad, but social media, for using the social media, it should be used for the good purpose, not for the bad purpose. So why I am telling this? Suppose whenever you are training, suppose Google or in Microsoft or any company, so they will check your profile. Suppose by mistake, if you put any bad remark on that network, even though you delete that thing, it will remain for the lifetime. So I appeal all of you, don't put any negative remark about any company. Suppose after completion of BE, you will join the first company. That company will check your profile. And if you are writing anything wrong remark about the APSID, that company will think the person who is graduating from this institute, and if he is writing wrong thing about the institute, definitely that person is wrong. They will immediately reject it. So I appeal all of you don't put any negative remark about your institute, that is AP Shah Institute of Technology. If you are not writing good things or positive things, don't write anything, that is okay. But don't put any negative remark which will come back and bite you. When they will bite you while giving the interviews, right? Next tip which I would like to give, that is very, very important for all of you. See, you have the very peer relations are there, your friends are there. So your age is around, it may be 18, 19, and till completion it will be 21st or say 22. So during this age, lot of distractions are there. Your friends are saying, they will offer you, please just to taste this smoke, taste this drink. So you should immediately tell him, no, I will not take. Become strong. Your reaction should be that much strong so that in your life you will become very strong. You may be laughing on this, but this is very, very serious, which I am observing. At APSIT, our team members are there. If you get any student, if found by using this kind of smoking or drinking in the campus or out of the campus, immediately we are going to take strict action against that particular student. So remember, don't distract from your goal, right? So if you, actually one person has said like this, if you don't separate yourself from the distraction, your distraction will separate from your goals. It's very, very important. Again, I will repeat it. It's very important. If you don't separate yourself from the distraction, your distraction will separate from your goals. Right? So that's why dare to say no for such kind of activities. Right? So next tip which I would like to tell you is that regarding the safety. See, many students are staying around this AP Shah Institute of Technology. Some students are traveling from the various places. So while coming, you should use the public transportation. Try to avoid the two-wheelers and four-wheelers. So if it is not possible to avoid this thing, you use the safety measures. Like when you are driving with the two-wheelers, always use the helmet. When you are coming with the four-wheeler, safety belt is very important. But why these accidents are happening? The reason is that they are in hurry. Hurry means all HODs has given the instruction to all the faculty members. If any students come late, it's not like that we are not allowing him. We will allow him to come inside the class. So while traveling, don't make hurry. So instead of that making hurry, you start early. So we know that there are some students, every day his bus or train will be late. It's not like that. You are coming late, train is not coming late, or bus is not coming late. One day it is possible, but every day it is not possible. If it is habitual, change your habit. Right? So you should reach in time and you should take these safety measures. Now next tip is for our parents. So I request all parents to please stand up. Big round of applause for the parents. These are the So, you know, these parents are your heroes. They have sacrificed many vacations. They have sacrificed many things to reach you here at engineering or APSIT. So, always respect your parent. In future also you should take care of your parents. Don't hesitate them. This is very, very important. Because of your parents, you are here. So please take care of the parents. And another side, I have some tips for the parents also. See, you may be thinking that this is first year, we have got the admission at APSIT, so we are now relaxed. It's not like that. Every time you should come for the parent meeting. You should attend the parent meetings. In parent meeting, you can see what is attendance of your ward, what is the performance of your ward, and ask the teachers why the performance of my son or daughter is low. why his attendance is low. If that attendance of that particular student is low, there is something wrong with that student. And I request all parents, see why his attendance is low and take the corrective action on that particular student or your ward. Suppose there is so many things are there in the life of the students which will distract them, as I earlier said. So the students will not say to you that this kind of problem is there, that's why he is distracted from this. So we have appointed professional counselor with us. She is full time in our college. Suppose that ward is not free with you and is not telling anything to you, take the help of our counselor. She will help you to what is the reason his attendance is low, what is reason his performance is low. Sometimes what happens, the attendance of that particular student is more, it may be about 90%. But performance of the student is low. What is the reason? He is sitting idle in the class, he is physically present but mentally somewhere else. So you have to find that reasons. These are very, very small tips are there, but it's very important for the parents. To identify what is the reason behind it. If he is not able to speak with you, take the help of our counselor or faculty members. We have nominated various mentors are there behind the 15 students. They will take care of all these things. So you ask, take the help of mentors, take the help of our counselor and find the reason why his attendance and performance is low. These are the indicators where you will get the perfect idea about it. Second tip I would like to give for the parents, don't give excess money to the students. I am saying excess. I am not saying don't give money. And at the same time, don't give the low money also. He should not feel or she should not feel I should earn. So give the sufficient money to your student. If you give the more excess money, then definitely lot of distractions are there. Lot of student peer pressure is there and they will be attracted to this. So my dear parent, give the sufficient money to your students, that particular your ward, and definitely it will be controlled. So these tips, if you follow from the student side as well as parent side, definitely you will become successful engineer. Right? So here it's just introduction. I will stop here and I will introduce one by one our team members are there. These are the pillars of our institute. With the help of these pillars only, currently we are getting Best Engineering College by the IETE and we are accredited. So I will explain one by one with the help of this things. First I would like to introduce our heads of the departments. So I will start one by one. Professor Behra from the first year engineering. First engineering, there are two types of subjects are there. One is applied science subjects are there like physics, chemistry, maths. So Dr. Kore is there, he is going to take care of it. Unfortunately, he is not well, today is absent. And for engineering subject for the first year, Professor Behra is there who will take care of it. So there are two heads of the department for first year. One is Dr. Kore sir and Professor Behra. Next to that, Professor Sachin Malve is there. He is head of the department of computer department, which is very demanding branch, and he is the man who has developed all softwares for our institute. For our institute, you can know that so you know this Professor Sachin has developed all software related to it may be Moodle, it may be attendance system, it may be a profile. So we are not taking help of other any vendor, but our team is excellent who has developed the website and everything. So I am confident that with our team, which is led by our Professor Sachin Malve sir. Thanks to Malve sir for giving a lot of contribution in their big round of applause for our Sachin Malve. Next to him, that is Professor Mate. He is the head of the department of civil engineering. So for civil engineering, you know, their conventional civil engineering is different. Now Professor Mate has started the various initiatives at our institute for AIML, how to learn the civil engineering with the AIML. So like that AIML club is there, like that many activities are there, which I will be going to explain in my slide. So big round of applause for the next to that, the Dr. Kiran Deshpande, who is the head of, who is leading to the Information Technology Department. And Professor Kiran has also done a lot of contribution to our institute. He has developed all IT infrastructure. We have the various servers at our institute. We have self-network is there. More than 1200 PCs are maintained by us, and who is actually Dr. Kiran Deshpande has fully developed all IT related infrastructure. It may be thank you, Kiran sir. Next to that, our Professor A.M. Deshpande sir. He is our Vice Principal as well as Dean Academics. He has designed the many system for our institute. He has given the many ideas. I will explain in the our system. So many systems are developed by our Professor A.M. Deshpande sir. He gives the excellent ideas, and after that our team members, that Professor Kiran Deshpande, Professor Sachin Malve, they are developing that codes. So whatever things are there, that ideas are developed. Next to that, Professor Anga Hayek Madam is there. She is the head of the Department of CSE Data Science. This is a new department. Next to that, Dr. Jaya Gupta is there. So, you know that AIML is a very demanding field now. Everything is ChatGPT is there, so many things are there, like civil engineering, mechanical engineering is developed with the help of the AIML. So new thing is added by the Dr. Jaya ma'am. She is taking excellent initiative for the AIML department. Thank you ma'am. Next to that, our Kumte sir is there. He is the head of the department for mechanical engineering. Again, for mechanical engineering, you know the various things we have started at various clubs are there in the mechanical engineering, like MAT, right? Electric vehicles are there. Then Dassault is there. I will explain that what kind of clubs are there, what kind of industry initiatives are there. So thanks to Dr. Kumte sir for his contribution to the mechanical. See, this excellent team is there with the faculty members. So they are working, they are doing hard work. So that's why I can say AP Shah Institute of Technology is excellent quality because of them. Now after this, as you know, AP Shah Institute of Technology is different from others. So how it is different, that I will explain one by one. And as this AP Shah Institute of Technology also something different from the others. Like that, you should be also different from other students. You should be different from any other college by watching these facilities. I will explain what kind of facilities are there. So you should take advantage of these facilities. If you use this facility, if you use it properly, then you will be different from others, like AP Shah Institute of Technology, right? So that's why I want to give some presentation on this what kind of facilities are there, that will explain you. First, I would like to tell you about the accreditation. What is accreditation? Because at the time of admission, I come to know that many students are interested to join the accredited branch. Which branch is accredited, which branch is not accredited, and that detail I will explain you. So try to give your attention here, please. See, first thing is that NBA or NAC. NBA stands for National Board of Accreditation, and NAC stands for the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. So these two accreditations are there. I would like to tell you what is the difference between these two. The difference is that NBA mostly it is used for the engineering college. If that engineering college is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, then that college is excellent college. And This NBA is given for the program wise. Program wise means department wise. That mechanical department is there, civil department is there, AIM department is there. That departments are accredited. So that is National Board of Accreditation. And I want to proudly say that our institute is accredited for all eligible branches. In the presentation you can see, first time, see our college started in the year 2014. For any branch or any program will be eligible after passing the 2 branches. That is the basic criteria to get the accreditation. So once our 2 batches are passed out, that is 214 plus 6, that is 20. So our college, all departments were accredited by the National Board of Accreditation. This is first engineering college in India who got immediately after becoming eligible for the accreditation. So big round of applause for the team. Now, after this, we have completed 3 years. Now we have cleared the second cycle also. Again, we have got the second accreditation for the MBA, for the mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, as well as information technology. So 2 times we got the National Board of Accreditation. Now you may be thinking there are the 2 other branches. Why they are not accredited? That which 2 branches? One is AIML and data science. See, these 2 branches students are now studying in 3rd year. Once the 2 batch are passed out, immediately we are eligible to apply for that program and immediately we get the accreditation. That means till completion of your BE graduation, that branches will be also accredited. So what are the advantages of this India accreditation? Whenever you are going for the higher studies, that university will give the preference for the students which is passed out from the National Board of Accreditation. If you are going for the placement, that company will ask you whether your college or your program is accredited. So proudly you will say that in your resume also you can mention that my college, my program is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation. Now next thing is, earlier slide. Now next thing is related to the NAC. See, we are planning, already we have done lot of work. So within this, till December we are going for the NAC. So actually NAC compared to this NBA, actually because many parents in society, everyone is asking for NAC because they are not aware about the NBA. So that's why we have started that initiative and definitely our team members are working very hard on that. It's a lot of members are there, they are working, they are preparing their data and NAC is at institute level. It's not like a department level. That just I said that particular department is accredited, another department is accredited. It's not like that. But that NAC is given for the institute, not for the department. So our institute is going to apply for the NAC within this couple of months, and definitely I assure that we have made the calculations. We are expecting A++ grade for the NAC. So we are working on that. Apply it and we get it, right? The next is, which I would like to tell about the achievement of our institute. Now, as far as the achievement is concerned, we have received the best engineering college from the IST. That last year we have received among the Maharashtra. We got this best engineering college award. Next is we have ranked number 1 Mumbai region, right? Ranked number 1 in Mumbai region. All India ranks we have received 5, and in the Times of India survey 2022 in emerging engineering college category, that is 1. So in emerging college we have got the first rank, and all over India we have received the 5 rank. Next achievement is that we have received the Best Education Brand 2020 award from the Economic Times, outstanding contribution to the education. Next rank is rank number 1, that is West Zone, and awarded as a best performing institute in year 2022 from AICTE Virtual Internship Program. See, for this virtual internship program, I would like to tell you that we have made the collaboration with the EduSkill, and EduSkill and AICTE have jointly they have arranged these various programs. For the virtual internship is there, for the various certifications are there. So I appeal all of you that you take the active, I'm giving the trace on active interest in that, so that you can get the various internship at different semesters. Okay, next. See, these are the various institute level initiatives are there. Just I said, our institute is something different from other. Why I am saying? Because these are the some initiatives we have started in our institute. First is Moodle. So Moodle platform is developed by our institute. That as already I said that Dr. Kiran sir and Professor Sachin Malve has taken the active interest in that, and they have modified that Moodle, which is freely available at the net, and we have made our, that means whenever, see whatever things are there in the class, so that things or that material will be available on the Moodle. All the notices, circulars also available in the Moodle. Suppose if you require any document procedure, that is also available in the Moodle. See, this Moodle platform is also used by the IITs. So we are also in private institute, we are also using this Moodle. Next is project-based learning. See, this is also very, very important point. Remember, our institute works for the 360 days. हमारे कॉलेज में सैटरडे संडे और वेकेशन नहीं है. So remember this is very important. Don't afraid. You will get the vacation, but provided you should have the some extra. What is extra? That just I said कि यूनिवर्सिटी का एक सिलेबस है, इंडस्ट्री को एक चाहिए, उसके दोनों के बीच में जो गैप है वो इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज मिलना चाहिए, इसके लिए प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग इज देयर. So we are giving the different kinds of projects which will be assessed by the industry persons. Right? Next is the foreign language. That facility also we are providing it. What is foreign language? See, after completion of your graduation, you are going to the various countries, and there they will look after all these languages, whether you know or you have the knowledge of that particular language. So if that students take the interest in that, they can reach up to the certification in that particular language. It may be like German, Chinese, so various kinds of languages are there. There is no additional financial burden to that students to learn that thing. So it will be freely available. Now next point is very important. It is freely available, but at what? Something is there. If we will take the 2000 rupees deposit I am saying, and if that students sincerely attended all the lectures, his 2000 will be returned. This is a suggestion given by the parents. Reason is that if anything gets free, they are not serious about it. If he is not attending, his 2000 will be used for the stationary purpose of other students, for the reward system. So you all should take interest and your attendance should be excellent. We will not charge anything, right? So it is applicable to all. It may be project-based learning, it may be foreign language, it may be your e-learning or anything, right? So what is point in that? Your active participation is very important. What happens? Students are initially they are coming here. I will attend 2-3 lectures. बाद में attend मुझे vacation में जाना है. So they are not taking interest. So again I repeat it. You should take the active interest. Next facility we have started, that is GATE, GRE, that kind of training we have started. And this year we are planning to start IET, IELTS program also. This is also without any financial burden. There is no any fee for that. So what is GATE? GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So after completion of your graduation, what will happen? You will go for the higher studies. So whenever you are going for the higher studies or you want to for the IIT, that GATE score is very important. Right? Like your JEE is there in 12th standard. So GATE score is important. Here we have started the GATE classes without any financial burden, and these classes are before 9 o'clock, that it will start at 7 o'clock. Why we have started choose this particular timing? Reason is that those who are interested, that students will come reach at 7 o'clock here. And I would like to tell you the success story of this GATE training. One student of our GATE training, he got the AIR second rank or all India level. And after that, he has chosen the IISc Bangalore, and he has completed his master, and he has received around 80 lakh rupees package for him. He was not satisfied there also. After that, he has joined a PhD program in US, and currently he is getting 1.5 CR his package. So what I would like to tell here that package is not important. Important is your setting goal, and for that goal you should work hard, right? So that is outcome of our GATE and GRE. Next is NVIDIA DGX. NVIDIA DGX means this is one server which is used for your data science as well as AI/ML, right? So you take the use of any branch, maybe your mechanical, civil, or like they were data science or any branch, they can take the interest, because suppose you are consulting civil engineering, you can design with the help of AI and ML. So at that time this DGX is useful for you. Next is NPTEL courses are also available at our institute. So you can know at NET, whereas IIT professors have recorded their lectures and put on this thing. Some assignments are there. So we are encouraging for our students for the NPTEL, and we are at our institute NPTEL local chapter is also there. Next is IITB Super Resource Center is also with us. Then attendance reward is there. So this is very excellent scheme for our students. Please give your attention here. See, if your attendance is above 90% for the 2 semesters, you will get the reward. Reward of 2000 rupees coupon will be given to you, which will be used for the canteen as well as for the stationery. So this is the reward system whose attendance is above the 90%. So what is motive of this thing is that our students will be motivated to attend the lectures, right? Next is Antarang. So Antarang is another club. So another initiative we have taken is which promotes the emotional well-being. That means many times parents are complaining that he is very talented, smart, but he is at home, he is not behaving properly. तो घर में वो सामान कैसा रखना है, क्या करना है, सोसाइटी के साथ कैसा बिहेव करना है, क्लीननेस कैसा रखना है, खुद का कपड़ा क्या धोना है, वो सब everything will be learned in the Antarang, right? You should be learn many things. Another is Udaan Incubation Center is there. See, our students, they want to develop or they may want to start the various startups. To help them, what kind of facilities are there, like how many financial institutions are there, what kind of technologies are there. So for that purpose, we have started this club which is known as Udaan Incubation Club. Next is Entrepreneur Development Cell is also there, which will help to start your entrepreneurship. You can train your company. See, that Google and Microsoft is there in the US, right? So who is running that thing? All Indians are running that. Because majority of Indians are there. So why you are not able to start that Google and Microsoft here and provide them that employment to our Indians? So you can think, you can set your goal, and we will provide you the support from our side. So all kind of supports is given from our side. Next is counseling is there. Just I told you, if any students is not able to express himself, you say a problem hai, maybe psychological problem may be there, he may be distracted from these goals. So at that time, you can you can take help from our counseling and mentoring. Next is unleashing the power of AI/ML, where the innovation meets the imagination. That AI/ML club is there, right? Then unlocking digital shield, join the cyber security club. Another club is there, which is known as cyber security. I think all of you know about related to the cyber security. What is cyber security and all this thing? Because I will not go in the details of it. Next is DevOps is there, right? So for DevOps, our one of the friend, that is Sandeep Kofirkar sir, he has given many help for that to develop that club. So that DevOps is there. Next is Mac Club. So Mac Club is developed by our initiative is taken by our all mechanical faculty members, and they have contributed to the many competitions, and they have won the first prize in that particular competitions. Next is App Development Club, Humanoid Club, Expression Club is there. Now for the Expression Club, see, you know about that different kinds of that app development, but Also, you know about the humanoid also. One more club is that is known as expression club. Because some students are there, they are not able to, they are shy, they don't want to come on the stage, they don't want to speak in English. मुझे ये problem है, वो problem है. ठीक है, expert, no one is there expert, but he should get the confidence. He should read every day that particular English paper, Times of India paper. So we have started that expression club. Within lab class, we are providing Times of India to the students, and we are asking him to express himself. So on any topic, so that he can build up his confidence. The next is exploring data horizon, inspire, analyze, excel. Next club is minds and the machine and conveyor. Then code creators, empowering the civil engineering with the AI excellence. So these many clubs are there, many facilities are there. So I appeal all of you, take your active interest and you also become something different from other in good way. I am saying good way, not in bad way. You should become something different from others, and definitely you will become successful engineer, and company will feel that I want to take these students for my company so that my company will go ahead. And in there also you should perform, your performance should be excellent, and EPISHA Institute of Technology should go ahead. We are continuously monitoring that particular students up to 5 years. After completion of graduation also, they can join the industry. After joining the industry also, we are monitoring the student, how is the performance of that candidate in the industry. The next is, these are our recruiters. So here I would like to inform you that we have received the highest package of 25 lakh and average package around 6 lakh. So these are the various companies we have given the placement to our institute. Then next is this global certification along with the BD. Now see, these global certifications, our faculty members under the leadership of these HODs, they have certified with the various courses like AutoCAD. Once more. You can see these certifications. So our teachers are certified with these various certifications at AutoCAD, Cisco Networking, Juniper, Red Hat certified, AWS. So like that many certifications are there. So our faculties are confident to give the training on this. This can be taught in the project-based learning during the vacations. So again, your active participation is very important. आपने ये बंद किया तो टीचर जितना भी ऊपर से करेगा तो nothing will be there. So that's why you open your mind, keep active participation, and definitely you will become successful engineer with something different from others, which industry wants. Okay. Then collaborations. These are some industry collaborations are there. See, industry collaboration with all programs. Here you can say IT, computer, AI, ML and data science. These three branches are almost all are equal. In the various semester, that subjects will change. 1 or 2 subjects will change. So that's why we have made the collaborations with the various industries like NVIDIA, AWS, Oracle, Microchip, Palo Alto, Blue Prism, Celonis, AI University Program, Virtusa, Iris, Iandra, Cisco, then DSW. Today he is present with us, that Professor Sandeep Kuperkar there is the CEO of that company, is with us. So like this, these collaborations are with our industries for IT, computer, AI, ML and data science. Next for civil engineering, we have the various collaborations, or out of this IT, computer, this AI, ML and data science can be used to develop the applications of mechanical and civil. Right? Then mechanical engineering, Iandra, Rio, then Autodesk and ANSYS. So these kind of collaborations are there with us. Right? The next. सी अब ये ठीक है, हम लोगों ने खुद के लिए सब कुछ किया, अभी देश के लिए कुछ तो करना चाहिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई आवर टीम एंड मैनेजमेंट हैज डिसाइडेड कि अपना जो भी बच्चा देश के लिए डिफेंस के लिए ज्वाइन करता है, इट मे बी आर्मी, नेवी और एयर फोर्स, ही इज आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग हिज 4 years फी विल बी reimbursed. वापस आपको appeal all of you, please set the goal of joining defense, air force and army. Definitely 4 साल का फीस आपको reimburse हो जाएगा. Okay? Thank you so much. This is the now parents के लिए, students के लिए, I would like to tell you that at our institute we are not take any single rupees in cash. Everything is online. So if your ward is asking for money कि मुझे कॉलेज में पैसा भरना है, वो गलत है कुछ. So remember that everything will be online. Every payment receipt will be given. Or there are some students they are going or misusing that money. I don't want to tell that thing. I don't want to do it. So we have the online portal. Through that portal, you can pay the payments. If you need any UPI or networking or with the help of debit card also you can pay. If you need that any documents like bona fide, all payment receipts, all uploaded documents can be accessed to the Moodles. All receipts you will get it there. One more important point which I already explained about the Moodle e-learning, that platform we have. Then this is again next point is very important, that is students diary portal. Our Professor Sachin Malvi and Kiran Deshpande has developed this students diary portal. So what is that students diary portal? Suppose now you are entered in the first year. For first year, suppose regular activities there like university, you are passing this all subjects with this and so. So this will be recorded. Along with this, if you are taking any interest in sports and if you got any certification, this will be added. So like that, every semester you will get the all kinds of records which will be available till semester 1 to till semester 8, and at the end of 8th semester automatically your resume will be prepared. So that kind of software is developed by our team member, which is known as students diary portal. You should update your whatever things are there in your resume, whatever extracurricular activities are there, you should update it there. Definitely it will reflect in the resume of final after completion of PhD, right? Then we have nominated the students council members. These all are the students council members. See, these students council members will take the for the various extracurricular and co-curricular activities. President is there, GR, various CRs are there. The GS is there, LR is there, so they will interact with you in futures for the starting various kinds of functions like OJS, or you can be maybe over that convocation program. So all the things, all take care will be taken by the all students council members, which will be headed by the Professor Behra sir. He is the leading and they are under his leadership, all the students are going to take the leadership. So with this small speech and presentation, I would like to stop here, and at the end I will say one quote of Vivekananda: "Arise, awake, and not stop till reach your goal." Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your encouraging words. Now I would like to call Mr. Rajesh Behra, Head FE Technology, who makes it possible to actually the milestones in learning to address the gathering.
Namaskar. Myself Rajesh Behra. Up till now, whatever the things have been said by our principal sir, right? Those are from student point of view. Now, for first year students' point of view, their perception, there are certain instructions, certain general, information or the things which as a student of first year should be known. Those things I will highlight here. It's a very short revision thing. So please see carefully. Our regular lectures of first year has already been commenced from 8th August 2023 and our regular timetable is followed. Then our regular working days is from Monday to Friday. Only an exceptional case, if you are compensating any holiday for any working day, we will compensate by Saturday working. Okay. Our college times will be from 8:40 to 4:50, and depending upon the regular timetable. If any days you are free, there are chances some faculty may announce some extra lectures. It will be best for you so that you will get maximum practice. Then we have an academic calendar. Since first year has started a little late, we have a separate academic calendar for the first year students, which will be declared on the Moodle also and on your group also. So please go through it. In that, we go through the academic calendars comprises of all the commencement of the term, then list of holidays so that in advance you can plan the things. So list of holidays will be known to you. Schedule of your term test 1 will be given in that academic calendar. Then schedule of term test 2 and defaulter list. Defaulter list is a list where at the end of, suppose here it has been mentioned 29th September. So right from 8th August to 29th September, attendance of the students will be calculated. Minimum requirement of the university is 75%. So that's why we say if students is failing below 75, we call it as the defaulters list. So you will come to know your attendance accordingly and action will be taken. Some remedies will be given to you. You have to fulfill those things. Then in that academic calendar, various institute activities will be declared. Then our library is equipped with many things, very good things are there, many books are there. For your information, we have a reference books of all the subjects. We have textbooks. Textbooks is altogether different and reference books are different. We expect students to refer all the standard books, reference books. And also we have notes written by the faculty in our library. We have all the books of all publications as been referred by the university. Then we have technical journals, magazines there. Newspaper, even in your lab you will get the newspaper. In library also you can access the newspaper. Then some books related to the management. Then some books are there which will have good articles and project reports of the previous students. Reports which have been done in final year. So you can go through with that, you will come to know what your seniors have been done. Then about the examination section, this is a very important section. Please take care here. Dr. Sangram Savardevi is the head of that section. FE students must fill forms online and submit the acknowledgement to exam cell for university examination. Then guidance for filling the form will be given by the institute. It will be given to you time to time whenever it is required. Students must appear in both internal assessment, that is the unit test or term test in other language it has been said. So students must appear both the internal assessment of all subjects. It is very compulsory part. Failing in this internal assessment, which we say as IA, short form, IA will be treated as the first count of KT. Already Professor has said 80 KT or KT is a very bad word for you. Right? So try to avoid it. So failing in IA will be treated as one count of your KT. Students are eligible to carry maximum 8 KT, right? Including first year and first semester and second semester. Total maximum 8 KTs are allowed to move to next year, that is in second year. In which maximum 5 KTs will be allowed in theory exam, that is the limit of theory exam, and 3 internal. Okay. Then some general instructions. Students has to purchase one blue color apron for the workshop. Already basic workshop practice has been started. So there also you will get this instruction. So please make sure you have an apron with that one. Scientific calculators models are almost everyone knows about this model, but still we have mentioned here. So calculators have been permitted for all the engineering subjects as well as in university exam. So please make a good habit of that one. Scientific calculator model recommended is FX 991 ES or FX 991 ES plus, all of similar category. Then about the stationery facility, student must purchase files containing college logo and index page for the submission for each subject. Files are available at our college stationery stores. Assignments should be written only on journal pages, outside rule. Then our canteen facility, we have two canteens, one on the ground floor and one in the second floor. So please don't complain about the rush hour. We have two facilities provided to you. Student can use canteen facility and it is expected that you use during only lunch and tea break. Then we have a separate common rooms for boys and girls. Both are located on the second floor. And a separate music room is also available for your leisure time. But we expect that you will use this music room after 4 o'clock or during non-lectures time, non-academic time. Non-lectures does not mean in between the two lectures you will go in between and you will try to use it. We have a separate team of music club committee. One student in charge is there, it is under the student council. They will contact you, they will inform about the time and what are the activities is possible there. Okay? Then, sir has already discussed about our counselor. Her name is Miss Darshana Jain. You can contact her by a prior appointment. You can discuss. It's located in 122A, first floor. So please go there and you can contact her. Then anti-ragging flying squad is also there in our institute. So ragging is a punishable offence as per Maharashtra Prohibition Act 1999. Anti-ragging flying squad is appointed by the institute to ensure the safety of the students. The squad takes care that the ragging is prohibited in the institute among the students. And as you know, the trend is going on. WhatsApp communication is more important nowadays. It is part of our daily life. So institute has also taken an initiative and we try to convince or we try to communicate through WhatsApp nowadays. Students' attendance and test marks are sent via WhatsApp on the mobile number registered with the college during the admission. Right? If you change the number, if parents are changing the number, just make sure that you are informing to the class advisor or the mentor. Any extra activity conducted in the college will be notified through WhatsApp. Parents must kindly contact college office in case if they are not able to receive the WhatsApp message. Right? So there are some instances where parents are complaining that they are not aware what exactly the things are going on in the institute. So if you are not getting the message, that means something is going to miss there. Please contact to the college. With this, we will try to conclude here. Thank you from my side, from the AP. Now, I am discussing here, two more things are there. Right? One is, these are all your class advisor along with their mobile number. So as per the division, you will come to know who are your class advisors. Right? These are all the faculties. You can note down their number. You can contact them. Second important thing, please clear now. 31st August is the last day. Right? 31st August is the last day for the notice which has been sent just now, just before the start of the session, which I have sent you. Right? Please go to the Mumbai University portal. That portal is given to you. Right? Register there and you have to submit that photocopy, that printout to the office. If you don't submit, your registration will get cancelled out. 31st, it will take hardly 15 minutes to fill up that portal. The link and all the details have been sent today only in your WhatsApp group, that announcement group. Please go through it. 31st August is the last day. Again, I am repeating, it is very, very important for you. It is related to your enrollment in the university portal. Right? Your enrollment number will be generated there and it will be carried throughout your life. Right? So please make sure you do it. If you fail it, it will be a very problematic thing for you. Your name will not be enrolled in the Mumbai University there. Okay? And as you know, now after having so much of interaction with you, with principal, all our HODs here, now I guess that we are now all on the same side. We are on the same side, we are on the same page. So as the trend goes, let's have one selfie. Right? And with that, we will conclude the session. So, can we have a selfie, please? Please, can I request for the lights? Switch on all the lights, please. All this photography, whatever that has been done by the students who are interested, they have a passion for the photography. They are your own seniors. They are going to come. students had discussed on this presentation, we will share all the slides on the group. So that if you have skipped something, some information, you will again you can go through it.
Thank you so much, sir, for briefing through the academics to our students. Now it's selfie time. We have now come to an end of this orientation program. A heartfelt thanks to all the parents who took time to attend our orientation program. We are humbled by your kind response due to which this event would be a grand success. I request all our parents to please enjoy the refreshments arranged for you. And I also request our students to head to their classes because we have our regular class sessions continue after 2 p.m. Thank you everyone.